Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2023 Bambi, Airstream Bambi, offered at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. And we don't get, or they don't get many of these in. I don't get a chance to shoot too many Bambis. Really a iconic RV or travel trailer. Let's get on the inside and check it out. So I had all the statistics at the beginning of the video, and really just an amazing use of space. They fit a lot in a small area. So we have these cabinets above, your stereo USB port. We have speakers on both left and right. We have some additional LED lighting. So this is the dining area, but as you can see, it drops down for sleeping. 2-burner cooktop. We have the sink. A unique drawer. Check that out. This is not space. That's just because of the sink. But just the engineering in that alone, that just is so interesting. Let me hit a light so you can see back in there. That's just so interesting because, you know, the plumbing is in there, so they have to make that drawer short. So then you have your microwave oven, your refrigerator and freezer. And then let me see if I can open this up. You have this little drop-down compartment, maybe 6-8 inches deep. Here's the front cover for your LP bottles. You have hooks for your keys, jackets, whatever. You also have a dry erase board, and then these magnets, which to me is very clever. As we take a look at the bathroom, so we have a commode, and this is also your shower, so you can stand up shower or sit down shower. Your medicine cabinet. Then you have a curtain for privacy, as well as your toilet paper cover. Let me close that up. Your controls, there's your sink. I don't know if I shot that from the top. And then I'll hit the light as I show you this cabinet. So, cabinet for your hang-up clothes. This is the cover for the sink. Then your garbage can. And then this is your, let me turn that light off. It kind of reflects off that aluminum. So here's your bed, as well as pillows, and then your boxes for your items that come with the Airstream. Back up and drop down, so you have storage there and cabinets. So just a very impressive, well laid out, well thought out RV. We also have the curtain for privacy. You can see the track, so it closes off the back, for lack of a better term, bedroom. So you can have friends stay over, or you still have your privacy. So thank you again for watching. Leave a comment below what you think of the Bambi. Have you ever owned a Bambi? Have you ever wanted to own a Bambi? I know it's very, very popular. And as far as the weight you saw at the beginning, you can pull it with most anything. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.